Ma'am Muking, nagulat ako bakit nandun siya sa mga general. Pwede po ba akong magtanong, Ginoong Pangulo, kay Ma'am Muking, bakit po kayo nandyan?
Good evening po, Mr. Chair, at the rest po ng mga senators and other resource speakers. Nadawit po yung pangalan ko, Mr. Chair, dahil doon sa naging affidavit po ni Colonel Rowena Garma.
Na ano po? Na
Sabi niya po doon sa first affidavit na parang tumawag daw po ako sa kanya to ask for the number of Colonel Leonardo. And doon din po sa kanyang supplemental affidavit, sinabi niya po na meron daw po siyang kinukuha sa akin na pera as support daw po para sa kapulisan.
ito po yung binabanggit kanina ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte na kayo po ang nagbibigay na panggasolina? Parang ganun po.
Actually, Mr. Chair, hindi naman po ako directly kasi hindi naman po ako disbursing officer po.
Opo, ano po ba ang function ninyo? Kasi ang alam ko po, kilala ko po kayo si Ma'am Muking na lahat po ng hiningan ko ng tulong sa pagpapa-ospital. Kayo po ang tinatawagan ko.
Yes, Mr. Chair. To be clarified, Mr. Chair, saang functions po ang ginatanong ninyo sa akin sa City Mayor's Office po ba or sa Office of the President?
Nagkakilala po tayo sa Office of the President na, pero doon po, sa panahon na yon, alam nyo naman po, lahat ng hiningi ko sa inyo may kinalaman sa ilalabas sa ospital.
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Isa po yan sa functions namin po sa Office of the President.
Opo, kaya po ako naguguluhan. Paano po kayo napunta dito? Napagbintangan po kayo? Na ganun po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Parang malabo naman po yata dahil ako na po mismo, Chairman, Ginoong Pangulo, kilala ko po si Ma'am Muking na personal. Now, buong pagkakakilala ko po, wala po akong ginawa kundi humingi sa inyo ng tulong. Ilabas niyo po sa ospital ito, baka pwede niyo pong bigyan ng ICE ito, mga lahat po ng ganun. Medyo naguguluhan lang po ako at hindi po yata ako naniniwala na involved po kayo dito.
Yun na nga po, Mr. Chair. It is an opportunity po na patawag din po ako dito at para lang din po malaman po ng karamihan na ang trabaho ko po sa Office of the President is purely administrative matters po and clerical works. At the same time po, mechanical jobs po, Mr. Chair.
Okay po. Yun lang po, nilinaw ko lang po kasi pasensya na po kayo. Naguluhan lang po ako ba't kayo nandito. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo. I-reserve ko na lang po yung mga tanong ko sa susunod na meeting na lang po.
Kasi si Muking, who is Miss Ermina Espino, was invited lalo na kung andito si Colonel Garma para ma-confront natin siya. Even the past PNP chiefs, inimbita natin yun kasi nandun sa chart ni Colonel Garma, na yung central figures, Colonel Leonardo, was briefing the PNP chiefs. Andito na rin naman kayo. So can we get kunin ko na reaction ninyo? What can you say about that? Although wala dito yung, hindi inulit dito ni Garma man o hindi naman kinonfirm ni Leonardo, but andito na rin kayo. Can we get your, were you given copies of the chart? Hindi. Bigyan natin sila.
We saw it on TV, Mr. Chair.
Ito lang po yun. Gusto ko lang, kasi parang ang part ng trabaho ni Edelberto Leonardo, briefed incoming chief PNP, etc. So, yun. Being those PNP chief, can you comment or react to this allegation?
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Chair. I became the officer in charge of the PNP starting October 14 up to January 19. On January 20, I was appointed as full-time chief PNP. Of course, I would not deny that I know Colonel Garma, Colonel Leonardo, being assigned in Davao and being a resident of Davao. And I had my high school and law school in Davao. But we cannot imagine them putting the chief PNP into the graph. I mean, a 4-star or even a 3-star general taking orders from a lieutenant colonel We cannot,
Di naman order, sir, but a briefing on the drug situation.
not even,
Okay,
because
sige.
we rely extensively on the knowledge that the PNP has. We have a specific directorate taking care of that, which is the Directorate for Intelligence. So why depend on Leonardo? He doesn't have any control over all the units of the PNP nationwide. So no, Mr. Chair, we deny that we are included, and that that graph or whatever drawing that he presented is not true.
You were never briefed by Leonardo on the drug situation when you were incoming or when you were incumbent PNP chief.
He cannot
Yeah.
afford to brief me, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
Because
I'm more
what-
knowledgeable than him.
Okay. So how about the others po? Ganun ba?
Your Honor,
Sinas.
just like General Gamboa, I have no briefing before I became the chief PNP. We get our instructions from the President because the President is regularly conducting a monthly meeting with us, sir. And he relayed the instructions through our SILG, sir. So we follow the flow of communication, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, General Sinas. General Danao, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. I became the officer in charge from May 2022 only, sir. So 3 months. It's election time. And when I became MPD director, regional director of 4A and NCR, never did we get any instruction, or why should I get also a instruction from a lieutenant colonel? And kung meron man, sir, impormasyon yan, hindi rin yan as a gospel truth if ever. Kasi nakita naman natin, sir, nung una, the President even announced yung mga names. So, hindi na kailangan, sir, siguro, si Leonardo dyan. So, we never got any instruction, or we never coordinated for that matter. It was also at the time when I became RD of 4A and NCR, pandemic, sir, nung una. Sarado nga, sir, yung mall, eh. Nung panahon na yun. That's all, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, I am included.
You're
because
the
I am
fourth.
also-
Yes, you're
I
the
am
fourth
also-
chief
Yeah.
PNP.
Mr. Chairman, I just would like to make my wonder. I really wonder why. How come a lieutenant colonel is going to brief a four-star general on what particular field of interest about the drug situation? If I need a briefing about the drug situation of the country, I ask the General Aquino. He is the PDEA Director General. I ask the Director for Intelligence because alam niya yung pangyayari sa Pilipinas. Or I may ask General Ferro, my anti-illegal, my drug enforcement unit chief. Why do I have to get a briefing from a lieutenant colonel coming from a region assigned to Region 11? So I don't see, I cannot, wala akong maisip na dahilan bakit ako magpapabrief dyan sa isang, at that time, he was still major ata, hindi pa lieutenant colonel. Lieutenant colonel naman, nung ako nag-chief PNP, never, even a single instance na nag-report yan sa opisina ko, either Leonardo or Garma, they never reported to me. They never report to me. Walang, hindi na kahit isang instance man lang na nag-report sa akin yan. Much more, yung pagbibriefing sa akin. Who are they to brief me? I am the chief PNP. Baka sabihan ko pa siya, you sit down, I will brief you. Mr. Chairman, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.
Yes, Senator Villanueva, yes. Si Muking, tama ba yung pagkarinig ko kay Presidente that sometimes namimigay ka ng pera? Kung totoo yun, anong konteksto nun?
Actually, Mr. Chair, hindi po ganun ka-elaborated yung sinabi po ni former President. Na-mention ko po kanina, Mr. Chair, na hindi po ako ang disbursing officer. So, ang sinasabi niya pong support, Mr. Chair, is yun pong